Thank you. Filled with gratitude. Thank you, Ra. Thank you. Thank you so much, Ra. Thank you, Sun Energy. I love you so much. Thank you. Filled with gratitude. Beautiful souls, it's another spectacular, gorgeous day that I am filled with so much gratitude for. Sending lots of love and light to everyone out there. And let me just remind you about this. When we're not tuned in, tapped in, and crazily in love with our true, authentic selves, we're easily influenced to copy and be like everyone else. Be your own authentic self without any apologies, because that's who you came here to be. I love you guys so much. Have yourselves a beautiful, spectacular, gorgeous day. Ashe. Wherever we keep our minds, wherever our focus goes, that's exactly what the universe delivers back to us. So keep your mind present. And once we're present, we get to hear the birds chirping. We get to see the trees swaying. We get to see the beautiful sky. We get to feel the breeze. We get to know that life is happening right now, not in the past and not in the future. Everything is happening right now. So keep your focus on the experiences you want to experience, which is all the love that's present right now. Nature is love. So stay in love with nature and life. Yes, Sun Energy. Thank you. I thank you. I thank you. I thank you for everything. Remind us who we are, because many of us forget. Remind us of our power, of our strength, because many of us don't remember. Remind us to wake up from this amnesia. Many of us don't remember who we are. Many of us forget that we are God and God is us. Many of us forget that we are the sun and the sun is us. Many of us forget. So we cave in. Remind us of our power. Remind us that we are you, just like you, Ra. Remind us. I love you and I thank you for pouring down all the love and blessings and ray of positive energies on us. I thank you. I thank you, Ra. Ashe, ashe, ashe. Now just look at this beautiful rainbow. Oh my gosh, I am so in love. Thank you, universe. Thank you, source. Thank you, angels. Thank you, ancestors. This is a sure sign of abundance right now. I am so appreciative. Thank you. Now look at this. Listen to this sound. Listen to the sound of heaven. Listen to the sound of tranquility. Listen to the sound of peace. Listen to the sound of happiness. Yes, Ra, gratitude, gratitude, and more gratitude. Another circle around the sun. Happy Solar, return to me, and for everyone else who celebrates today. Every day is my birthday. Every day that I'm alive is my birthday. I give thanks, I give thanks, I give thanks. Thank you for all the positive energy you shine on us each day, even when the clouds cover you. I love you, Ra, and I thank you, and I worship you. Ashe.